Hello guys, welcome back to Coding Race. In this video, we are going to develop fake notification creator app in MIT App Inventor. Just go to your browser, search MIT App Inventor and just log in with your Google account. You just have to change the tab to desktop if you are using your this website in phone. So and next you have to click on the new project and type the project name. Perfect. Okay, then click the OK button. Yes, so so just click on that mobile screen. You can see a window properties on the right side. Just change the background color. You can choose any color. It's okay. And add label, erase the text, and then font bold. You can select the text color. Okay, then you have to change the font size. Font size, just change that 14 to 20. It's perfect. And just click on the screen once again and align horizontal, align vertical, center. So you can see the text is now at the center position. Then change the color. I think this is perfect. Okay, just change that capital F. Okay, then we need one text and erase it. We use this label to get a gap between the heading and the text box. So next, go to layouts, vertical arrangement, and go to user inferences and add text box. We need 2 text box and 1 button. Perfect. Then click on that vertical background color none, center. So you can see the text and button are on the center. Just type the hint name of the app. So you have to type the name of the app which you have to make the fake notification, if it is WhatsApp, Facebook, etc. So let's go to second box and type content. Change the button text to create. Okay, and you just have to change the background color green. Perfect. And then if you want, you can make the text bold. Next, we need an extension for creating the notification. The link of this website is given in the comment and description. Just scroll down. You can also join in this community. This is MIT App Inventor community by logging in with your Google. So just click on this AIX and come back. You can see extension and import extension. Just drag and drop it to choose file and just click on the import. Then wait a bit. You can see the extension. Drag it to your screen. You can see it. Okay, then go to blocks and button 1. When button 1 clicks, notification, call notification style